Yeah, you're even looking at the tornado or not?
Where you are?
The very last show of the day, the Science Theatre. It's elementary. It started in 5 minutes. Okay, promise not to be offended. Head back out through the doors that you came in through for everyone on this side of the theatre.
This is the exit this. Follow me. Baby, go, go. So light. Am I moving? Am I moving?
A little bit.
Hey, that's the maximum.
And done.
I'm done.
No, wait. 1 minute left.
What's in here? What's wrong? What's happening?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press button.
Oh my god. Give me some time. Give me some time. What about this guy right now? Dad, we need your help.
No. Almost.
Bye.